Hi everyone, this is the complete PC optimization guide for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 game. Guys, first setting is set high performance power plan. So go to your Windows search and just type here the control panel and open it. Guys, here simply look for the view by and just select it to the large icons. Then just click on the power options. Then just click on the create a power plan. Then just select the high performance power plan. Then just click on the option of next. Then just create it. Once you create the high performance power plan for your PC, then just leave it. Now the next setting is turn off system configuration services. So go to your Windows search and just type here the system configurations and open it. Guys, here simply look for the services on the top and just check the box of hide all Microsoft services. Then just disable all of these. As you can see, I already stopped the services. You can see the status. Then click on the apply, then click on the OK. Now the next setting is disable startup apps from task manager. Make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager. Open it. Simply go to the startup application you are seeing on the top and just disable all the applications you are seeing here. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash or the freezing issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these. Now the next important setting is disable high precision event time. So go to your Windows search and just type here the device manager and open it. Guys, once it was open, just scroll down and in the system devices, just look for the high precision event timer. Once you find it, just make a right click on it and you will see the option of disable device. Just click on the disable. As you can see the option of enable device because I already disabled this. Now the next important setting is enable game mode. So go to your Windows search and just type here the game mode setting and open it. Guys, just turn it on. Now it closes all the background processes when you are on the game, so this is very important. Now the next setting is increase virtual memory. So go to your Windows search and just type here the view advanced system settings and open it. Guys, just look for the settings, then just go to the advanced, then just click on the change and select your C drive where your operating system is installed. Then just select the custom size and just uncheck this box. Then go to your Windows search and just type here the calculator and open it. Guys, once you open up the calculator, if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then just multiply it with the constant value, which is the 1024, and just start this value in the initial size and just multiply it with the 3 and just start this value in the maximum size. Now, if you have the 32 GB of RAM, then just multiply it with the 1024 again and just start this value in the initial size and just multiply it with the 3 and just start this value in the maximum size. Then just click on the option of set, then click on the OK. Then just click on the apply, click on the OK. Now just click on the OK. Now the next setting is increase number of processors. So go to your Windows search and type here the system configurations and open it. Guys, simply go to the boot on the top and click on the advanced options and just check the box and just select the maximum number of processors you have. Guys, if you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value selected, click on the OK, then just click on the apply option, then just click on the OK. Now the next important setting is core isolation. So go to your Windows search and just type here the core isolation setting and open it. Guys, simply disable the memory integrity. It is for the security purposes, but it is not necessary, so just turn it off. The next important setting is graphic settings. So go to your Windows search and just type here the graphic settings and open it. Guys, here simply click on the Microsoft Flight Simulator game, then just select it to the high performance. Now to add the game, click on the browse option you are seeing on the top and just locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. Then just select your game launcher. Then just select it to the high performance. The additional window setting is update your graphic drivers and update window to the latest version. And this is how you can optimize your PC for this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video and bye bye.